In this video, we'll walk through exactly how to add company branding to signature requests in just a few easy steps. Whether you're sending out contracts, forms, or approvals, having your company branding attached to signature requests can help reinforce your brand's professional image, and I'll show you how to do it quickly. First off, make sure you're using the software we'll be working with today. This software makes adding branding to your signature requests simple, and if you want to follow along, I've got a special offer for you, a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel. Check out the link in the description below for that. Now, let's dive into the process. Start by opening up the signature request tool in your software. You'll want to go to the settings section or branding section. This is where you can upload your logo and adjust your colors. Once you're in the branding section, look for the option to upload your company logo. The software will typically accept PNG or JPEG formats, so make sure your logo is in one of those formats for the best quality. It's also a good idea to check the recommended dimensions for the logo so it fits properly without looking distorted. Next, adjust the colors. You can usually customize the color scheme to match your brand. This includes the background, text, and button colors. Pick the primary color for the background and complementary colors for the text and buttons. Make sure the colors you choose are consistent with your branding guidelines. If you're not sure about your company's exact color codes, this is a good time to check your brand style guide. Once your logo and colors are in place, you can preview how it looks on the signature request. Check that everything is visible and that your logo isn't getting cropped or distorted in the signature request window. A quick preview ensures everything looks professional before sending it out. Some platforms also allow you to add custom text or a tagline to your signature requests. This is a great opportunity to reinforce your brand message or add a simple call to action, like sign and secure your agreement or get started with us today. Keep it short but impactful. Once you're satisfied with the branding, save your settings and start sending out signature requests. With your company's logo and colors attached, each request will look polished and on brand. The key takeaway here is that adding company branding to signature requests doesn't need to be complicated. In just a few steps, upload your logo, customize your colors, and tweak your text. You can create a branded professional experience for everyone who signs your documents. To quickly recap, first, open the branding section of your software. Then upload your logo and adjust your color scheme. Don't forget to preview everything to ensure it looks good, and consider adding a custom message or tagline. And finally, remember to use the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with the software we use today. Take advantage of the free trial in the description and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this one.